In another demonstration video, we had a look at how we install Office Online Server. So if you're wondering what Office Online Server is, it allows Exchange deployed on premise. What we can do is we can go to OWA and our users will have the ability to modify attachments online. And they're doing that because we've implemented this Office Online Server. And then what we do is once we've installed that server, we do need to integrate it into Exchange Server. So this demonstration video is looking at purely how we integrate in Office Online Server into Microsoft Exchange Server 2019. What I've done in the description for this video is I have put in a link through to the actual video where we have a look at installing Office Online Server. So the first thing I'm going to do within my Exchange organization is just see how we're currently configured. So what we have to do is we have to configure a thing called a WAC Discovery Endpoint, and the WAC Discovery Endpoint is just our Office Online Server. So the first thing I'm going to do at this point here is I'm just doing a get-organization config space pipe, which is on my UK keyboard, shift backslash, space FL for format list, and then we're just looking for everything that's WAC. And as we can see, we currently don't have a Office Online Server set up. So the next thing we have to do is we have to now point Exchange Server at that Office Online Server. So we're going to do that by issuing another PowerShell commandlet. And we're going to do that by set-organization config space -WAC discovery endpoint, our Office Online Server, space https:// office.adatum.com/hosting/discovery. Now we've done that. Next thing to do is to now specify the OWA virtual directory. So again, we'll just issue another commandlet. And we're just going to do a get-OWA virtual directory -server lon-ex1, and then we'll format the list and we'll do the WAC function again. And finally what we'll do is we'll just specify our OWA mailbox policy. Now what we're doing is we're associating it with the remote users policy we created in an earlier demonstration. Format list, and we'll just get the WAC information again. So if we have a look down here, we can see that we do have the ability now through our Exchange server to use the Office Online Server. And that's the end of this very brief demonstration of configuring Microsoft Exchange Server to talk to a pre-configured Office Online Server. Thank you.